Yay! It's week 8. Can you believe it? Let's take a look at what we have going on for the last week of our class. So, short little video. I'm watching Harmony Bailey. And then, as discussed at Saturday 3, there is a course reflection question about some things based off of our literacy in the early grades, some things to ponder that you have learned a lot on, and then one thing that you're going to be working on. So 3 things that you've learned a lot about, one thing that you're going to continue to work on and do some research on or want to learn more about. And then there's, you've been hired as a 316 reading coach in your district, so you're creating a 1-page handout, and that again can be on any topic related to anything that we've covered in this course, front and back if you feel the need to fill 2 sides or you need the space. And then there's going to be a link for you or a place to upload your ePortfolio. Make sure that you open sharing settings on that for me if you're using Google, the Google Format platform. And then also post your running records. If you can scan them in as one PDF, that would be fantastic. So that is it for the last week of course. I have thoroughly enjoyed working with all of you and meeting and learning with all of you. And I wish you the best as you continue your journeys, and I'll see you in the fall. That's all.